strong and positive and find a new narrative. This is the adventure of a